In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute and unmute your microphone on Loom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right into the steps. First things first, you want to make sure you're logged into Loom. This is the platform that allows you to create quick video messages, and knowing how to control your microphone can really improve your recordings. Once you're logged in, you should see a prominent button that says New Video. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you into the recording window where all the magic happens. Now, once you're in the recording window, you will notice several different options and settings available to you. Among these, keep an eye out for the microphone icon. This icon is crucial because it signifies whether your microphone is currently on or off. If you want to mute your microphone, you simply click on that microphone icon. It's usually positioned in a straightforward spot, making it easy to find. After you've clicked it, you should see that the microphone icon changes slightly. This change indicates that the microphone is now muted. In this state, any sounds from your end will not be captured in your recording. Now, you might ask, when would you want to mute your microphone? Well, there are a lot of scenarios. Perhaps you're planning to show a presentation and want to keep the focus on the visual elements without your voice narrating over it. Or maybe there's background noise that you'd prefer your viewers not to hear. Whatever your reasoning, knowing how to mute effectively can save you a bit of editing later on. But let's not forget, you may also want to unmute your microphone at some point. This is very simple. When you're ready to start speaking again, just click that microphone icon a second time. You'll know it's unmuted when the icon appears in its original state, indicating that your microphone is now active again. This way, you can easily transition from mute to unmute, adapting your recording as needed. And here's a little tip. If you're in the middle of a recording and realize you've accidentally muted yourself, don't worry. Just remember that same icon is your friend, and clicking it again will bring your audio back to life. As you're getting familiar with the Loom interface, remember that practicing these actions will help you become more comfortable. Over time, muting and unmuting will feel as natural as speaking itself. One last thought before we wrap up. It's worth mentioning that a good practice is to always double-check your settings before you start a recording. Getting into the habit of ensuring your microphone is the way you want it can help reduce the chances of surprises during your video presentation. So there you have it. To summarize, you log into Loom, hit that New Video button, locate the microphone icon, and click on it to mute or unmute at your convenience. Fairly straightforward once you get the hang of it. I hope you find this tutorial helpful in making your Loom recording experience smoother and more productive. Don't forget, if you're interested in more tips and tricks like these, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy